Like, do you know where you will be in 1 year, in 2 years, in 5 years? If you can't answer that question, it is because you haven't made a decision about yourself and where you want to be and where you're going. Welcome, I'm Marlene McNally. The life that you have right now is based on the decisions that you made in the past. Decisions are where you have your power. When we're not deciding on purpose, we're just like going along with how things are, being at the effects of what's happening to us, as opposed to taking full responsibility and deciding on purpose. The decision we make today is going to determine where we end up in the future. I want you to commit to one goal that you can achieve in the next 30 days.
So my name's Dex Randall, if you don't know me. Achieving a goal is all about belief. So in order to achieve an impossible goal, you need to create a new thought about it, a thought about being successful, about mastering your goal, about who you're going to be once it's done.
And then decide on purpose, commit on purpose of what do I need to believe and how do I need to feel today and every day until you achieve the goal. Be very disciplined and committed to choosing your thoughts on purpose.
If you're living from past beliefs, past evidence, then any impossible goal is 100% impossible. By definition, you never have done it before, and that's okay. Every day ask yourself, how can I invest in my belief? What thoughts will support me to increase the belief so that I can continue to take massive action on my goal?
If you do this at the end of the 30 days, you are going to be someone new. You're going to have created something in your life that didn't exist before. This decision is going to help you generate power in your life. You will become someone who sets challenging goals, makes decisions, and sees them through.
The reason we do or don't do anything is because of how we think we're going to treat ourselves afterwards. If you can decide now to celebrate each and every epic fail, as well as each and every little win on the way, well then, celebrate yourself in your life. Because when you pause to celebrate every day, you're basically giving your brain a reason to try again tomorrow.
If we do 30-day goals every 30 days, this time next year, you will be different people. Your lives will have evolved to the point that you may not recognize you.
Yes, encourage you to get your 20-minute coaching each week to support you on your goal. It's been really fun being here with you today. I'm so excited to see all of the goals that you have for yourself.
Go out, create goals, commit to yourselves, make decisions, get the life that you want.